So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to send money on Revolut. So to send money to a bank account on Revolut, you'll just need to click on the payments option at the bottom here. Then once you've done that, you should get a list of all your contacts. And to add a new one, you just want to click on the plus sign at the top here. And then from there, to send it to a bank account, you just want to click on bank. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to enter the bank details. So obviously, me being from the United Kingdom, automatically you'll ask for a sort code or account number. But obviously, if you're from Europe, for example, then it'll obviously ask for an IBAN. Or if you're from the US, it'll probably ask you for the ACH number. But once you've got to this page here, you'll just want to enter the bank details of the account that you want to send to. And then once you've done that, it will confirm if it matches. And then for the next step, you'll just need to confirm how much you want to send. So for this example, we'll say £20. And then finally, you'll just be asked to review and confirm it. And if you're happy, you can press send. And then once you've done that, you should get this message here. And then to finish up, you should get the confirmation that it was sent here. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.